the super manager. This story was already shared by me on my blog already. Still, I improved the quality of the content. Actually, this is a different story. I wanted to improve the content, still, I ended up in writing a different story. The super manager. The super manager is Mr. Kichu. Mr. Kichu joined in Super Industries as the manager. So, you may ask me what is the work experience of Kichu? 10 years. He worked in two companies, but he couldn't get a promotion there. So, he switched over to Super Industries and he got appointed as the manager because the owner was a kind man. He gave him appointment as the manager. Of course, Kichu was traveling in his scooter only. He had no car. So his wife was scolding him every day. When will you buy a car? When will you buy a car? Kichu would always reply, I am working hard, still I am unable to get a promotion. Then his wife yelled at him, then go to a new company and find yourself as a manager very soon. He said, okay. So Kichu was very afraid of his wife, like most of the men. So, anyhow, he got appointed in Super Industries. On entering Super Industries, he got an idea, flash. He wanted to retain his position in Super Industries and he wanted to grow. He thought, no, if I am innocent, nobody will help me. I have to rope in my man inside this company so that I will grow and grow. Then only the owner will be afraid of me. Such a great plan. Our Kichu is always known for such plans. So, he planned this. What can I do? He thought. You may ask me, why are you boring me? Who else is working there or who else are working there? Suresh. Suresh had been working in that company for 3 years. So, senior experience wise, subordinate position wise. Kichu, junior experience wise, in charge senior position wise. So, Kichu now setting his eyes on Suresh. He wanted to throw away Suresh and rope in. He had two boys in his mind. One was Purish. The name of the boy was Purish and his cousin brother was Pani Purish. He wanted to add either Purish or Pani Purish as his subordinate and proceed with the plan. One day Kichu called Suresh. Kichu came promptly. Take the production files, he said. Suresh went inside because he had been providing good work, good quality. So he took it casually. He didn't take it in any other sense. He took casually and he brought in the files with a smile, of course. Kichu didn't smile back because his idea was different. So he went through the files. He said. Then he went to the office copier, took copies of five sheets. Then he wrote with red ink. He raised a few questions out of the scope of Suresh. Of course, Suresh was not responsible for those in any way. The owner was responsible. So Kichu wrote 5 questions in red ink and gave the papers to Suresh. Answer all these questions. I don't find your performance satisfactory. Of course, I think you are wasting time inside the office. Suresh was angry. Grrr. I have been working here for 3 years. I have a good name with the owner actually. My employer has a good opinion on me. Then how come this, let me see, understood. This man wants to rope in his disciples inside this office. That's why he is driving me mad. He understood. He didn't answer. Then Suresh said, I will reply in 2 days. Kichu said, no. Reply in within 2 days, 2 hours, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Suresh agreed and went out. Then he didn't turn up for work the next day. Kichu was overjoyed. Suresh came the next day and submitted his resignation. Kichu agreed and he wrote, accepted and signed. Kept it in the resignation file. Of course, there was a small company, so everybody was fond of each other. The resignation file was actually empty, one or two only. The 10 years experience of the company. Still, 10 years history of the company. So, Kichu filed the resignation of Suresh. Suresh went out whistling. Kichu didn't understand why. Anyhow, he was happy. He called Purish. He said, Purish, I have got a job for you. Just my assistant and the production manager or engineer of this company. Purish said, no, I want to work in an MNC. So, please don't trust me, and he cut the line. Then Kichu called Pani Purish and explained to him the matter. Pani Purish agreed gladly. Please come to an interview, Pani Purish. Pani Purish dashed to the place. He attended a formality sake. It was just a formality. Then Kichu signed, appointed, and he signed. So the new file was ready. New papers were ready for the owner. The owner returned to the office after 2 days from Mumbai. Forgot to tell you. He had been on a Mumbai trip. After he returned, our Kichu went there showing all his teeth to the owner. He showed all his teeth to the owner and said, Suresh has resigned and I have appointed a young Turk by name Pani Purish. What Pani Purish? Said the owner. Who are you to appoint? He first asked, who are you to appoint a new man without my knowledge, and who authorized you to accept the resignation of Suresh? Are you in charge? I'm a manager, no. I'm the manager here, no. Manager in the sense, did I ever tell you all these things? I explained your responsibilities clearly. So, you are not authorized to accept resignations or appoint a new person. What happened to Suresh actually? You tell me, otherwise I will throw you out of the office. This is natural in private companies, especially small private companies. Easy to say, I'll throw you out. Kichu was terrified because he was afraid of his wife. Of course, Kichu was bold enough, but he went weak on seeing his wife immediately. Immediately after seeing his wife, he would go weak. So he was terrified to the core. He said, actually, he wanted to manage. He said, after I assumed the manager's chair, I called Suresh and asked him a few questions. He was unable to answer. Yeah, of course, he doesn't know anything about the job, sir. He said, you're speaking so fast. He doesn't know anything about the work, sir. What is the meaning of this? Yes. How come you know? You don't have an experience of at least a month here. He has been working here for the past 3 years. I know him in bits and pieces or in bits and bytes. I know him in bits and bytes. So, why are you poking your nose? That is totally outside your limit. Who asked you to question Suresh first? The owner started grilling. Who asked you? Who authorized you to question Suresh? I like him. He has been doing his work up to my satisfaction, and even more than that. Then who authorized you to question him? After he resigned, you should have told him, please talk to sir. I am not the right person for all these things. So it is extremely clear. He used a new word, extremely clear, that you have crossed your limits. Last warning. Then he took his mobile before the very eyes of Kichu and called, Suresh, what happened? And he put the phone on speaker mode. He told, I will show the manager. He said in polite words, sir asked me so many things, sir, which those questions are totally out of my scope, so I couldn't answer any question. That's why I resigned. The owner asked, do you have any sense, you fool? Who is he to question you? You should have told, I will reply to sir. You should have said, why all this hype and hoopla? Why are you troubling me? I am already confused. As a businessman, I am confused. I am worried about so many things. Why are you doing like this? You should report to duty from Monday. He said. So I said, I am ready to join from today, sir. No. The owner said, go to movies, theme parks, enjoy yourself. Then return. Report to duty on Monday. Don't go on answering the manager for anything. Let him grow inside this company first. Then he can question you. Of course, the owner laughed. If he would have, after 2 years, we would have 5 years of 2 years of experience. You will have 5 years of experience. So Of course, you should know more. So please don't be afraid. Don't be afraid about all these things. He is nobody to question you. Still, you answer him if necessary. So Rashid, I will definitely join from Monday, sir. I'll be there on Monday. I'll report to duty. Just then, Pani Purish arrived. Pani Purish arrived inside the company and showed all his teeth to the manager. Who is he? He's a Pani Purish. I just appointed him, you know. My fate, said the owner, and he walked out of the company.